Hey everyone, welcome to All Windows. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get your Microsoft Windows license key. If you have installed your Windows in your PC or laptop and you wanna you don't wanna purchase the Windows again, and you have installed a new hard disk in your system and you installed Windows in it and you wanna use your previous key. Now I'm gonna show you one simple step to get your product key, and let's get to it. So first of all, you have to start your CMD command line prompt and run it as administrator. There is a small piece of code that I'm gonna small piece of code I'm gonna write it in description so that you guys can use it. You have to copy and just paste it here in the command line and hit enter. It's gonna take a while and it's gonna show you the product key. Here is the product key. Yours might be different. I'm gonna blur it for my personal use because it's my personal key. And here it is. I hope that it's gonna work for you. If it does work for you, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Bye bye.